Speed has always been a language of ambition, but tonight it feels like a confession. What happens when a legend stops chasing numbers and starts chasing meaning? Stay with us, because this is not just about how fast it goes. It's about why it still matters. For decades, the Supra name carried a quiet authority, a machine that didn't beg for attention. It earned it. From late-night highways in Japan to racetracks across America, it became a symbol of precision engineering meeting raw emotion. When the badge returned in the modern era, it carried both excitement and skepticism. Purists questioned its soul. Enthusiasts questioned its future. Yet history shows that every generation of performance icons must evolve or fade. And the world cares because the Supra has never just been a car, it has been a benchmark for how technology and passion can coexist. But the real question isn't whether it's fast, it's whether this evolution finally completes the story. And then, in a moment that feels almost ceremonial, the silhouette steps into the light. The lines are tighter, the stance more deliberate, like a sprinter leaning forward before the gun. You don't just see the car, you feel the intention behind every curve. There's a quiet gasp in the air, the kind that only happens when expectation meets reality. Because this isn't nostalgia, this is evolution made visible. The design philosophy speaks in tension between aggression and elegance, heritage and aerodynamics. The long hood remains, a tribute to balance and performance proportions. Sharp LED signatures carve through the darkness, giving the car a face that feels focused, almost determined. Compared to its predecessors, the surfaces are more sculpted, more intentional. Where older models expressed brute strength, this one communicates precision. It's not trying to imitate the past, it's translating it into a language the future understands. At its core, the engineering shapes everything. The turbocharged powertrain delivers smooth, confident acceleration, backed by precise chassis tuning and intelligent traction that turn power into control. Here, technology doesn't replace the driver, it enhances them. Top speed becomes more than a number. It's the result of balance between software, mechanics, and human connection. Inside, the atmosphere shifts from intensity to intimacy. You sit low, surrounded by a cockpit that feels designed around human instinct. The steering wheel, the digital displays, the subtle ambient lighting, everything is arranged to keep focus forward. Technology integrates quietly, offering information without overwhelming the senses. Comfort doesn't dilute the performance identity, it complements it. Because the true luxury here isn't softness, it's control. And in that moment behind the wheel, speed becomes personal. In the broader landscape of performance cars, the Supra occupies a unique position. It bridges accessibility and prestige, offering serious capability without losing everyday usability. Against rivals, it stands not as the most extreme, but as one of the most balanced. For the market, it represents a reminder that internal combustion performance still has a role even as electrification accelerates. And for enthusiasts, it reinforces a simple truth. Driving emotion hasn't been engineered out of modern cars. Its impact isn't measured only in sales figures or lap times. It's measured in relevance. The Supra's future will be shaped by hybrid tech and smarter software, yet its identity remains intact. It feels less like an ending and more like a continuation, proof that progress and passion can coexist. Speed may fade, but the emotion it creates endures. So now, we turn to you. What does the Supra represent in today's performance era? Share your perspective in the comments, and if you enjoy cinematic automotive stories like this, consider subscribing to join the journey ahead.